This is the JBUDS Frames from Jlabs, and it's basically earphones but for your glasses. Technically, these are not earphones or headphones. Headphones go in your head, earphones they go in your ear. These are something else. On the box, it's called wireless audio for your glasses. I'm excited to try this out, so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Inside of the box, you're going to see the JBUDS Frames. There's also a really nice carrying pouch, and inside of that has a decent amount of protection. And you can see it has like a mesh material, so I guess you can clean your glasses with it. And over here you can see the charging cable. It's a little bit disappointing that these JBUDS, they don't support USB-C charging. Instead, I have to use this cable. If I lose this cable, then you're pretty much screwed. But it's not that much of a deal breaker. The cool thing about this cable is that it is magnetic, so it snaps right onto the JBUDS. That about does it for the unboxing. So now let's move on to attaching it to my glasses. You can attach the JBUDS to almost any pair of glasses. Prescription glasses or blue light glasses like I got right here. To attach it, all you gotta do is slide it on, and that's all you gotta do to attach the JBUDS to your glasses. So despite the fact that these are not earphones, they work just like Bluetooth earphones. To turn it on and pair, it's the same process just like with any other earphones. All I gotta do is hold it down for 3 seconds and it will go into pairing mode. And then from there, I'll go into my phone and then I'll connect to the JBUDS. The JBUDS, they have one button on each side. But you still have access to all your media controls, so you can still control the volume, you can still answer phone calls, you can still stop your music, pause your music, and all of that. You also have access to Siri or the Google Assistant. All you gotta do is double click on the left side and Siri or the Google Assistant will pop up, depending if you have iPhone or Android. To answer a call, all you gotta do is click on the right side. And to hang up, all you gotta do is double click on the right side. You can also reject a phone call, so if you listen to music and a call comes in, you can hold it down on the right side for 1 second and that will reject the call. The battery life is supposed to be 8 hours, and within the past few days of testing it, I say it holds up to 8 hours. I only charged it once, but the battery life is pretty good. And now let's talk about audio quality. Even with the volume on high, you can hear everything around you, and you can hear yourself talk. So this will come in handy in the office or working at home. So you can't really compare this to any other headphones out there like AirPods, because AirPods, they go in your ear and after a while they can be uncomfortable. But the JBUDS Frames, they're better to use over a long period of time. I think it's been about 2 weeks since I started using it, and the more I use it, the more I actually love it. They're definitely not going to replace my noise cancelling headphones or my gaming headphones, but I gotta admit they sound great and they're very convenient, and that's why I'm going to keep using them.